Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Ultrascan Diagnostics here. This is the CBCT of the patient that you had requested. The area of interest is the lower right 6 and 7 and the lower right and left canines. Now the lower right 7 shows significant bone loss. On the transaxial view, you can actually very clearly see that there is periodontal bone loss present in the lingual as well as the buccal aspect of this tooth right here and here. So this is something to be kept in mind. This tooth has periodontal bone loss, and this is the distal root. On the distal root also you can very clearly see that there is significant bone loss present in this tooth. Moving to the region of the 6th and this is an edentulous ridge. The ridge measures at a significant 10 millimeters of width with approximately 14 millimeters of height. Bone quality is D2. So here an implant placement is definitely possible, which we have done for our kind doctor, and the implant looks something like this. So we've placed an iris solution implant. This is a 4.7 11.5 millimeter implant, and you can see this is very clearly center of the ridge, has good bone support overall, and here you can see that a 4.7 11.5 implant can be prosthetically placed and will have good prosthetic bone support as well. So this is the implant on the lower right aspect. As you can see, moving to the lower right canine, the lower right canine appears to be normal. We don't see any pathologies or any problems with the canine. We don't see any cracks, single tooth with a single canal. Moving to the lower left canine, so we've got the lower left canine is right here. Thank you very much. So the lower left canine again appears non-problematic. We got single tooth with a root with a single canal all the way from the top to the bottom. So this is the tooth. If there are any further questions, please feel free to reach to our team. We will be extremely happy to help. This is the axial view. The axial view is basically the top to bottom view, and here also you can very clearly see they've got a missing tooth on the lower right side. You've got periodontal disease and bone loss associated with the lower right 7 quite significantly throughout at each point. Thank you very much.